Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. Our bones are continuously changing. New bone is formed and the old bone is broken down. When we are young, the rate of formation of new bone is greater than the rate of destruction of the older one. So this leads to increase in our bone mass. And majority of people reach their peak bone mass around the age of 30 years. After that, there is slight increase in the rate of destruction of our bone than its formation. This leads to decrease in bone density after the age of 30 years. Now, bone health is important at all stages of life. However, having strong bones is something that people usually tend to ignore because the symptoms of bone loss or weak bones appear much later when the bone loss is very much advanced. In this video, I will talk about various factors that affect our bone health, and after that I will discuss 6 ways that can help you to keep your bones healthy and avoid osteoporosis as you age. So let's begin the video. First of all, let's talk about various factors that affect our bone health. First is our age. Our bones become thinner and weaker as we age. Now, some loss of bone density is quite normal with the aging process, but excessive bone loss can make our bones weak and porous. This can lead to a serious medical condition known as osteoporosis. According to International Osteoporosis Foundation, 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men will experience an osteoporotic fracture after the age of 50 years. Next important factor that affects our bone health is our gender. Women are at a greater risk for developing osteoporosis than men because women usually have lesser bone mass as compared to men. Also, the chances of developing osteoporosis is greater during the time of menopause because during this time the estrogen levels drops down. Estrogen, along with having various other functions, is also responsible for healthy bones. Decreased estrogen levels can lead to weaker bones. Next factor that affects our bone health is our hormonal levels. Increased levels of hormones like thyroid can lead to weaker bones. Now let's talk about 6 ways that can help you to keep your bones healthy as you age. The very first thing that you need to do to keep your bones healthy is to include more calcium in your diet. Diets low in calcium contributes to diminished bone density, early bone loss, and increased risk for fracture. For adults between 19 to 50 years of age and men even between 51 to 70 years of age, the recommended dietary allowance is 1000 mg of calcium per day. This recommendation increases to 1200 mg of calcium per day for women above 50 years and men above 70 years of age. Teenagers need 1300 mg of calcium per day. Now let's talk about various sources of calcium. Various sources of calcium include dairy products, almonds, broccoli, soy products like tofu, sesame seeds and lotus seeds, etc. Unfortunately, the amount of calcium your body will absorb is not certain. So make sure to spread out your calcium intake throughout your day by including a variety of calcium-rich foods to your diet at your each meal. By spreading out the calcium intake throughout your day, you will actually optimize your absorption of calcium by your body. It's always better to get your calcium from your food rather than supplements. In a recent study, it was found that although people who were consuming more calcium through their food were at lower risk of heart diseases, but people who were taking more calcium through the supplements were at 22% greater risk for developing heart diseases. So always make sure to consult your doctor before getting any kind of supplements. Next important factor that can help you to keep your bones healthy is to pay attention to your vitamin D levels. Your body needs vitamin D to absorb calcium. Sunlight, mushrooms, eggs, oily fish like salmon are some good sources of vitamin D. Studies have shown that children or adults having low levels of vitamin D tend to have lower bone densities, but unfortunately the deficiency of vitamin D is quite common, affecting billions of people worldwide. So always make sure to pay attention to your vitamin D levels. Next thing that you need to do to keep your bones healthy is to avoid diets that are too low in calories. Dropping down calories too low is never a good idea, although some people tend to do so in order to lose weight faster. But in addition to slowing down your metabolism, creating rebound hunger, and decreasing your muscle mass, it is also harmful for your bone health. Studies have shown that diets providing fewer than 1000 calories per day can lead to decrease in bone mass or bone density in overweight or normal weight individuals. In a study done on obese women, it was found that women who were consuming approximately 925 calories per day for 4 months have experienced significant loss of bone density from their hip and upper thigh region, in spite of the fact that whether they were doing resistance exercises or not. So for a healthy bones, to maintain healthy and strong bones, it is very important to have a well-balanced diet. This leads to our next point, which is to pay attention to various other important nutrients also. Potassium, vitamin K and magnesium also play a very important role in keeping our bones healthy. So make sure to consume these important nutrients also by having a variety of healthy foods like vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, whole grains and legumes, etc. Proteins are also very important because proteins help to build muscle, which in turn help to keep our bones healthy. Vitamin C is also very important because vitamin C stimulates the production of bone forming cells. So make sure to consume healthy, well-balanced diet. The next factor or the next point that can help you to keep your bones healthy is to increase your physical activity levels. People who are physically inactive have a greater risk of osteoporosis than do their more active counterparts. Activities like brisk walking, climbing stairs, weight bearing can help to build strong bones. The next thing is to limit your caffeine intake. Having too much caffeine can decrease the amount of calcium your body can absorb. Try to keep it nil or as low as possible. Aim for no more than 400 milligrams of caffeine per day for adults. That is 2 to 3 cups of coffee. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should have no more than 300 milligrams of caffeine per day. By following the tips mentioned in this video, you can actually keep your bones healthy throughout your life. Also, it's never too early or too late to begin following these tips. That's it for today's video. Stay happy to stay healthy. Thank you very much for watching.